To get started with selling on eBay, first create an account by going to the eBay website and following the sign-up process. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. Once you have created your account, you can start listing items for sale. The first step in listing an item is to choose the type of listing you want to create. You can choose from an auction-style listing where buyers bid on your item, or a fixed price listing where you set a specific price for your item. Next, you will need to provide a detailed description of the item you are selling, including its condition, features, and any flaws it may have. When writing your description, be as detailed and honest as possible. This will help build trust with potential buyers and reduce the risk of disputes. You should also include high-quality photos of the item from multiple angles, as this will give buyers a better understanding of what they are purchasing. Once you have written your description and taken your photos, you will need to set a price for your item. Research similar items on eBay to determine a fair and competitive price. You should also consider the cost of shipping and packaging when setting your price. When your listing is live, buyers will be able to find and purchase your item. You can promote your listing by sharing it on social media or with friends and family. eBay also offers a range of promotional tools, such as promoted listings and sponsored ads, which can help increase visibility for your item. When a buyer purchases your item, you will receive an email notification from eBay. You should then package and ship the item as soon as possible, and make sure to communicate with the buyer throughout the process. Once the buyer has received the item, they will be able to leave feedback on your eBay account, which can help build your reputation as a seller. To ensure a smooth and successful transaction, make sure to follow eBay's policies and guidelines, and be responsive to buyer inquiries and concerns. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell items on eBay and build a positive reputation as a seller.